Supercharge your wall frame manufacturing process with the Spida Snip Saw 600, a compact saw designed for fast, safe and accurate 90-degree cuts. Every cycle is pneumatically clamped and cut, keeping the operator's hands well clear of the blade. The SnipSaw 600 uses two-hand, no tie-down operation to ensure controlled, consistent and safe cutting every time. A pop-up safety guard protects the cutting zone, rising and lowering automatically so the operator can work confidently and efficiently. With its powerful cutting capacity, the SnipSaw 600 can process up to 6 members at once, dramatically increasing productivity without compromising precision. For even greater productivity, the SnipSaw 600 can be paired with the rapid stop table for automated infeed, as shown here. But flexibility is the key. The saw can work with virtually any table configuration, automated or manual, including customizable lengths built in 1 metre increments. Built for simplicity, safety and repeatability, the SnipSaw 600 keeps workflow moving while reducing operator fatigue and manual handling risk.